how to delete your Discord server. If you want to delete your Discord server, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Discord application and simply navigate to a server that you own. Once you navigate to the server that you own, click on the drop-down menu of your server. Then from there you can see many options here. You want to simply go to the one that says server settings. Once you come to server settings, you'll find many options on the left hand side. But you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom left until you see an option that says delete server in the trash icon. Just click on the delete server menu. It will ask you to basically enter your server name. So now you simply have to go ahead and then type in the name of your server. So let me just go ahead and then basically type in the name of my server as well. And once I've done that, I can just click on the delete server button and then I should be able to go ahead and then basically delete my server. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.